We're going into a time of year when an outdoor pest can cause problems that can kill you or cause all kinds of health problems. 18 News reporter Caroline Stevens has the story of why ticks are now problems for both animals and humans, and you can't afford to ignore them.
'Tis the season. Tick season, that is, and as we approach warmer months, certain ticks that carry Lyme disease can cause serious health problems if you are bitten. The best thing to do is to protect yourself before that happens.
What we've noticed is that ticks will either, during the winter months, burrow in soil or the bark of trees. During the warmer weather, as it gets warmer, the ticks will essentially come out. You'll see more ticks in the grasses, long grasses, as well as in areas where there's a lot of deer activity.
Dr. Nistico says ticks thrive in grassy, wooded, and humid environments, and most bites don't always lead to infection. But the black-legged tick, also known as the deer tick, is one of the most common in our area, and it's the main culprit when it comes to Lyme disease.
There are many infections that ticks carry, but the one that we typically will hear a lot about is Lyme disease.
Once attached, a tick can transmit bacteria into the bloodstream. Symptoms of Lyme disease can show up days later and include fatigue, chills, fever, muscle aches, and sometimes a rash.
The important thing to know is that it could be a bullseye rash, but it doesn't always have to be. It can also just be redness that's greater than the size of a quarter.
So how can you protect yourself? Dr. Nistico recommends long, muted clothing, tick repellents, and body checks after any outdoor activity.
If you're coming into your house, it's important to try to know to just check yourself. Areas that tend to have ticks are areas that are warm, dark, moist spots, which means in the folds of the body, the scalp, the back area.
And if you do find one, skip the home remedies. Dr. Nistico says there's a right way to remove a tick.
What you're going to do is you're going to use a set of tweezers. You're going to essentially try to get closest to the base where the head is, and you're going to pull gently but straight up so that the tick detaches.
Dr. Nistico says it's crucial to get all parts of the tick because if not, it could still make you sick. If symptoms appear, Dr. Nistico says don't delay care. Early treatment with antibiotics can be effective, but untreated Lyme disease can lead to lasting issues.
If you wait too long to receive treatment or seek treatment with your doctor or medical provider, you may wind up with an infection that could spread, causing issues with your joints, your heart, or even your brain.
Ticks may be small, but the impact they can have on your health is anything but. Simple precautions can help you avoid a much bigger problem later. In Elmira, Caroline Stevens, 18 News.